Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I am happy to do this presentation for you on this 2016 Cougar by Keystone. It's a model 28 RBSWE. It is the rear bunks stacked in the back with a nice big bathroom and a doorway in and out of the bathroom as well. But we'll start on the inside here. We've got a big, huge open area in this kitchen living area. You've got a trifold sofa bed. You've got a U-shaped booth with a portable table there. Big, huge windows that all open up, adding a lot of ventilation. And they are a frameless window, so they're an upgrade, and they have the ability to be open during the rain, which is really nice as well. Built-in ladder for the upper bunk there. And you've got a window on both upper and lower, of course, bunks. When you go into the bathroom, you've got your doorway in and out. You've got your nice tub shower with a skylight above there, a little powered fan here above the sink, and easy space around the toilet. Looks like a porcelain toilet, which is real nice as well too. When you're looking then in the kitchen area, refrigerator and all that storage, look at that, 5 drawers. You've got 2 closets, one with adjustable shelves and one for hanging closet space. You've also got refrigerator up a little bit higher, really nice insert on there, stainless steel on your finishes for your microwave and your oven. 3 burner. You also have a nice high-rise faucet here. You've got a 50-50 stainless sink, and counters are nice space around the counters. Your TV with a little bit of storage below that, entertainment center, and windows around in here are nicely finished off with these materials. Make it really nice around the windows. You also have in the master, you do got a king bed with nightstands and storage at the head of the bed, and storage above the bed as well. And there is a little TV in here for the master and a vent above as well too. So you'll have storage access underneath that master bed too. When we go on the outside, you do have a awning that covers both the doors. Again, they're frameless windows, make it really nice for finish. The Phylon exterior makes it easy to clean and maintain. Spare tire on the back, and what's nice about this Cougar is it does have these extra storage accesses that are underneath those that lower bunk, which makes it nice. You can access from both sides. You also have a ladder, and you also have a slide-out tray bumper. So there you can go ahead and put storage on there as well. It's also pre-wired for a backup camera. Heavy-duty rack and pinion slide system on this Cougar. And you've got big openings, which I like real well, to gain access through underneath the head of the bed up there, up underneath. You also have a nice one-piece fiberglass cap, larger propane tanks, and you have a power tongue jack, which makes it real nice as well. You'll have questions when you see the video. Please feel free to give me a call. It's Tom Peterson. You'll see the number at the end of the video. And also, you know, I've been here 30 years. I love what I do. It's a great time to go out and camp, folks. Hope you have a great time. Hope you're having a great day today. Any more questions, give me a call. Again, remember, in Junction City at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.